For someone that is already convinced that, oh, I want to move into cable manufacturing. Okay, let me even say it now. Shineworldgroup is into cable manufacturing machineries. The machines they use in manufacturing cables. Now, what role do Shineworldgroup have to play for someone that wants to move into cable manufacturing, since Shineworldgroup have a lot of experience, both local and international? I believe Shineworldgroup should be the best place for that person to come.
Okay. Thank you so much. I have the honor that to be the last person, right? So to answer the last question, but last but the most important is always to say. And now it's back to Shineworld. So just now you asked me, okay, so if really the visitors or our friends want to be manufacturers, so what Shineworld can do?
Yes.
Okay, I can tell you some words that Shineworld can be your first consultant. Okay, we also can be your technical support. We can be your engineer. We can be your consultant to apply some license, and we can be your marketing. We can introduce customers, and we can be your after-sales service engineer. So, but you see, so many things you can do. Yes, a lot. Okay, let me explain one by one. Okay. Actually, just now as we mentioned that technical is most important to be manufacturing. So why I say this? You know, yes, if you want to successful to be manufacturing, just have the dream or willing is not enough, because you know the real facts is very strictly. If you cannot manufacture your products very well, quality is not good, you cannot get in the market. If your production cost is bigger or higher than other people's, you also cannot get to the market. Yeah. Yes. If your products no maintenance or no after-sales service, you also lose the market. So it means everything need to have very good preparation. Okay. So I say just like I say, Shineworld is your consultant. This consultant is what kind of products or what kind of cables is necessary to produce in your first manufacturing, and what's the land size, what's the machine necessary, how many machine necessary, what's the level, what's the standard to be manufacturing. It's also you need to pay more attention. So Shineworld can working with you from starting, from the beginning. Okay, so we will together with you to analyze the whole market and to help you to fix what kind of cable, what's the capability about this manufacturing. Then when we fix this, we also can help you design the whole factory. Okay, we design the power system, water system, air systems, and the logistics systems, production process systems. So based on all the systems, then you can understand, okay, what kind of machine is necessary, how many machines can be necessary. And also the machine design also need to match with the local standard. Okay, so based on this, then we really can have the idea, okay, so how big my factory size, how big the land, how big the investment, and how soon I can draw back the investment. Yeah, because I'm the boss. I want to get the money back, then I can invest more. Okay, so the first I can do is we can do be a consultant, and we are your project manager to design the factory. When we design the factory, we also the QC person to help you to control all the quality about the manufacturing machines, materials. We are the QC person to do all the inspection control for the production. After finished production, we also can help you to testing the machines and the installation commissioning. So during the installation commissioning, we will be Shineworld will be your site project manager to help you to running the whole manufacturing, to supervising the civil work, supervising the installation, supervising the commissioning. Why Shineworld be in the sites? Because we have more experience. We can working together with your project manager, with your civil work team to faster the process. The more fasting means shorter the time. They can help you to save the money. Okay, so after this, after installation commissioning, then we also can help you to running the machine. We will training your engineer, training operators how to use the machine to produce the cables. Yeah, if you have enough technical team, you're running by yourself. If you do not have any technical team, Shineworld also can arrange the engineer and the technical team working for you to make sure that your investment can be continually and can be production. Okay, so this is the first step. We are your consultants, we are your project manager, we are your set manager. Okay, so during running the machines, during running the factories, you also need to have very good technical support because you need to design your cables. Some customers, okay, I need this cables, but you need to design it based on production process. You need to design it. You need to production it. Okay, so you need a technical support. Shineworld can offer you. During the production, if machine have some problems or need maintenance, yes, your team can do it, and Shineworld also can train your team to do that. So first is build the factory. We are the consultant. We are the project manager. During running the factory, we are your technical supporter. Okay, do your technical support for manufacturing, for the machine maintenance. Okay, then we also can be your marketing. How to do this? If we manufacturing, but we cannot sell. Oh, it's also difficult. Shineworld working in this market really very long time. So we have so many customers. We also have so many links with different buyer, like NNPC or like the project, some projects, building project, they need the cables. We also can help you to link with them. We will tell you who is your buyer. Yes, because we also have the marketing team here. We have Nigeria team staff here, so they also can give you more details. Who is your buyer? We can link to you. You can talk together. Okay. This is. And another one, oh, sorry, just now I forget one thing. To be manufacturing, just now I said that you need to get the license, right? Yeah. This license, I think maybe if you do not understand how to get the license, no problem. Our team, Nigeria team, because we do so many factory here, so we understand how to process, to apply this MANCAP, SANCAP certification. No problem. Our team can help you to guide you to do this. Okay, this is the third. So consultants, project manager, we also can be licensed assistant to application. Okay, so next but most important is after sales service technical support. For machine, for one manufacturing, you need to maintenance oftenly. Most of the time, you need to maintenance to give guiding for the machine at each month. Okay, so because we have our local office, in our local office we have our technical engineers, so we can guide you. We also can join you together to do the maintenance. Machine maintenance then can also support your manufacturing. So to be very good successful manufacturing, technical important, quality control important, but the planning from the beginning is also important. So Shineworld can join you, start from the beginning, to design it, to plan it, to give the technical support, to do the quality control, and also give you more customers, or we say that give you more opportunities to promotion yourself.
Wow.
Yeah. So this is what Shineworld can do, and hope that really we will be the partner. And we hope that Shineworld can do something for Nigeria economic growth. Wow. So we can working together. Okay, thank you so much.
Oh, thank you so much, madam. Like she has really said a lot. It's just to tell you that Shineworldgroup is here to support anyone that wants to move into manufacturing from start up to finishing. And the goal is that you must make profits.
Yes.
Yeah. The goal is that we Shineworldgroup want to see you make profits, and also the goal also that Shineworldgroup have is to see made in Nigeria be there for cable industry. So they're also here to promote made in Nigeria, and that's many cables that cables will be manufactured here in Nigeria. So in summary, we hope that we've already briefed you on all that you need to know regarding upscaling from just being a distributor to becoming a manufacturer today.